Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's going to be a little different video. I need to clean my room. Little man has terrorized and trashed my room. But today I thought I'd show you kind of behind on what it looks like in my room. And then you're going to see me clean it up. So let me go ahead now and show you around. This is my makeup station. Kind of messy, really messy. Don't mind the dirtiness and whatnot. We're gonna fix that. This is where I have my two boxes here for my lighting, and then this is my makeup station where I usually have the top portion is the glitters and nail polish and things like that. The second row was hair, and the third one was more skincare and like things of that nature with essential oils. Oliver, as you can see, has completely terrorized that and made it all over the floor and disorganized my area, so I gotta change that. I also need to clean up on my closet side, and this is behind the whole background. So this is where my TV is, and he's ripped up my journals and my lipsticks are all over the floor. It's just a mess. So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and just get cleaning, and I hope you enjoy the video, and yeah, let's do this thing.
Messing with my head again. You had your heart set on me, but these feels, they come and go, and they come so easily. Tell me why.
I was gonna say, look at my son, and look what Oliver did to his pictures. Like, so messed up of a little brother to do, but look at my little one, he's so cute.
Love the way you are, always leave me. Why do I, baby, why do I? Love the touch but never love the feeling. Why do I, baby, why do I? Love the way you are, always leave me. Why do I, baby, why do I? Love the touch but never love the feeling. Staying up when I go out, you gotta know I'm all yours. But when I say what's that about, you start slurring your words. Tell me why you have to seem so distant when I'm holding you. Your fingertips are drifting away, and I fucking love how it hurts. Why do I, baby, why do I? Love the way you always leave me.
Hey guys, well, this is the final cleanup. I just want to show you around real quick and let you see what I did clean, and I'm pretty excited that it didn't take me that long. I thought it was going to take me a little longer than it did. So this is the back of the room, and I have my backboard, my two lights, my lights that go in the back of the backdrop. Then I have my ring light with all my makeup. The table is clean, the floor is picked up. Look at all that trash. Like, there's so many products that I'm like throwing away and I've used and it's gone, and like there's so many things that I haven't used that's gotten old, so I had to clean that up and clean up my makeup area. So again, this is where I keep all my glitters and like artistic stuff, nails, hair, skin. I got my jewelry, my closet's clean, my calendar, which has all my things for makeup that I'm doing, my purse, and my jewelry's all right there with my skateboard. And in the back of the room, we got the TV with my random wig and equipment for the camera and laptop. And yeah, that is the whole room. So I hope you guys like it. If you did, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and I appreciate you watching this weird quick little thing. So thanks guys, and I will see you at the next one. Bye.